Good morning, Hornets. It's a wonderful Wednesday here at VCHS. We're your host, Brandon.
And I'm Alexis. Let's start out with today's lunch. Today we'll be enjoying spaghetti with meatballs, tossed salad, garlic bread, broccoli, fruit cocktail, and of course a cold milk.
And now here's a new lunch option.
There will be a quick stop station in the cafe area for the deli and salads with a new item for a second choice for lunch.
Now let's jump into today's celebrations with these holidays.
And now a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
My name is William Rupp. Here are your top 5 news stories of the day. Number 1, courts in Colorado are deciding if elephants should have the same rights as people. Number 2, thousands of antidepressants have been recalled due to cancer-causing agents found in medication. Number 3, a python has gone viral for eating a 77-pound deer in Florida. Number 4, Wichita man sentenced for using obituaries to plan burglaries. Number 5, thousands of tabletop fire pits recalled over possible flame jets. Have a good day, Hornets.
Next, here's today's word and quote of the day.
This week's word of the week is vicarious. Experienced in the imagination through the feelings or actions of another person.
Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you've imagined. Henry David Thoreau.
Would you rather fight 100 duck-sized horses or one horse-sized duck?
I'd rather fight one horse-sized duck just because it seems easier.
Let's see what some of our Hornets would pick.
Hi, I'm Emily, and I'd rather fight 100 duck-sized horses.
Hi, I'm Brinley, and I'd rather fight 100 duck-sized horses.
My name is William Rupp, and I would rather fight 100 duck-sized horses.
I'm Christopher Bisbee, and I would rather fight one horse-sized duck.
I'm JMO, and 100 duck-sized horses.
I'm Ace, and 100 duck-sized horses.
I'm JB, and 100 duck-sized horses.
A lot more sun out today. Let's take a look at today's temperatures.
Hello, Hornets. It's me, Andrew Smith. Today, you're going to have a high of 60 and a low of 35. Have a day.
And now it's time for a quick blast of the past. We leave you with this day in history. Stay classy, VC.
November 6th, 1860. Abraham Lincoln, a former Illinois congressman who opposes slavery, wins a 4-way race for president. After his victory, southern states begin to secede from the Union. The American Civil War breaks out the following year. 1854. John Philip Sousa, the king of American march music, is born in Washington, D.C. 1893. Composer Peter Ilyich Tchaikovsky dies in St. Petersburg, Russia. He was 53 years old. And 1931, movie and stage director Mike Nichols is born in Berlin. Among his films, The Graduate, Catch-22, Who's Afraid of Virginia Woolf, and The Birdcage. Among his Broadway shows, The Odd Couple, and Monty Python's Spamalot. Today in history, November 6th. Tim McGuire, The Associated Press.